What's up, guys? It's your boy Mark back with another video. In this video, I will be going over how I turned $300 into $1,000 in one day. If you're new to this channel, make sure you go ahead and subscribe. Also, click the notification bell so you can be the first to know once I upload videos on how you can make some daily cash. Alright, guys, so this is what I did. Alright, this is US30. As you can see, I still have my markups from this morning, and I recently just got out of this trade. Alright, so here we go right here. I'm going to draw this little resistant box right here, guys. If she breaks this box, I'm getting in. Alright, because I see some rejection. So I'm going to wait. I'm going to be patient. But it kind of looked like it's forming an M, and this can be potentially getting ready to sell anyway. But guys, this morning on the call, all right, we had a Zoom call this morning with the team. All right, we caught NAS100 and we caught US30. All right, but let me pull up my account, guys. All right, guys, so here's the account. All right, let's go to history. All right, for the day, let's go to the top. All right, as you see, I added $304 up here at the top. All right, I don't know where the credit came from. The broker is Prosperity. I guess they give you $30 once you create an account and I guess use their platform. But I put $304 in there, so my goal was to make $700. And look at the screen right now. I told you guys, look at this resistance. Boom. This would have been a good sell entry, but I'm through for the day, guys. I'm tired of going back and forth. Because I caught a really good entry right here. We're going to get into that. But if you look at the account, I took some small losses. All right, some small losses. And then I came back with US30. That's what got me to $1,000. So that's basically like $700, but $699. So that put the account at $1,000. As you can see, a live trade, Prosperity. And the reason why I'm doing this video is because I have someone who asked me like, hey, I have $300 in my account. Could I join your team and make money? So what I did was, before I answered their question, I put $300 in the account, or $304 because, you know, with Bitcoin it taxed, so I wanted to make sure I had exactly $300 in there. And what could happen if you put $300 in there? Because I never personally traded with $300. I always put $500 to $1,000, and I always tell people, that I'd rather you start out with $500 to $1,000. When trading NAS100, US30, indices, and all that good stuff. So I tried it out. So I put $300 and I turned it to $1,000 a day. Answer to your question would be, yes, you can trade with us with $300. You know what I'm saying? Next, I might do $100 and see how much I turn $100 into. I have a $100 into, guys. I thought this was a good way to test myself, my skills, and see what could I do with $300. All right, and it's the same thing that I've been doing, just a smaller lot. Guys, I use a 0.01, okay? On my other accounts, I'm using standards, 0.50s, and other things like that, guys. So imagine the type of results. If you follow me on Instagram, you see the results that I'll be posting with my bigger account, right? And yeah, guys, it's just the same thing, because I also had somebody say that it's kind of harder to trade with a smaller account. Okay, I don't think so. I think what it is the mind, because you know you don't have $500 or $1,000 in your account. So what happens is people will put the money in the account, right? And they be like, well, okay, I don't want to lose this 300. I don't want to lose this 200. I don't want to lose this 100. So they get out of trades early. They make, you know, decisions that are not going to get them, you know, are not going to help them grow the account, because, you know, they're already scared. All right. So emotions play a big part in trading. And a lot of people don't understand that, because you can trade demo all day long. Anybody can trade demo. Anybody can open up a demo, pop a sell or a buy, and make money accidentally, or just letting it run, not checking on it because they don't have no emotions for it, and they think that they can trade. But when it comes to the live, they don't have a lot of people don't have $1,000 to put in the market, $2,000, $3,000, $4,000, $10,000. They don't have the big capital to put into the live. So when they do start, it's they try to start with like 100, 200, 300, like I say, and then their emotions get attached to it because they so attached to their money that they don't want to lose it. They just want it to work, all right? They just want to be able to say that they made money, okay? Or they just want to make money to do something with it for the weekend, or they just not taking it serious, guys. So anybody can, you get what I'm saying, hop in the market and make money, but it's all about, can you consistently make money? Guys, I consistently do this. You know what I'm saying? I consistently do this. So that was a little challenge for me, 300 to 1,000. A lot of people might be, well, that's not nothing. Okay, to me, if you could take $300 and turn it into 1,000, what do you think you can do with 1,000? So that's the whole purpose of the account, is to grow it and to make more money and to do exactly what you did to make more money. Now, what can happen now if I was a greedy person? I can hop back in these trades and lose the profits that I made for the day. Or I can just close down these charts, go work out, go lay down, go play the game, call my family. You know what I'm saying? You can't forget about your outer life. You can do something else once you make your money so you can stay profitable, okay? A lot of people are profitable, but the greed pulls them back into the market, so they all they got to say is, oh man, I made $1,000, but then I lost it. That's not how you want to end your day. You don't want to end your week with, oh, I was up 10K for the week. Oh, and then I lost it. I'm down. And then I lost it. You don't want to, you know what I'm saying? That's not how trading goes. Trading, you're supposed to be profitable as you go. Profitable. That means come up with a plan. That means come up with a goal. That means come up with, you know, a strategy. That means just come up with something that's going to get you to where you're trying to go. All right, so if you keep just doing the same thing over and over and over, then it's just not going to happen. So with small accounts, you have to build them. You have to, you know what I'm saying, build them. So on the call this morning, we caught this. Most definitely, this was news, and it was great, you know, and we were just holding this. Also, same thing with NAS 100. We caught it off of a wick right here. Boom, she bought, and we got out the trade. So at the end of the day, guys, to answer the question, how much money do you need to trade? To trade NAS 100, you need at least $70 to trade NAS 100. Now to trade US30, you got to have at least $250. All right. So that's why I say you should have at least 500 to 1,000 in the account to actually trade it. But once you know what I'm saying, connect with people or learn some type of strategy, you can probably put 250 into NAS, 250 into US30 and flip it, 300 and flip it, like I did, or $100 into NAS 100 and flipping that into 1,000, because that's possible. All right, that's very, very possible with NAS 100. Okay, but yeah, man, this trade right here I just took off of the wick because I seen two, you know, I seen rejection right here. Boom, I entered, bought. This was my TP. Got out the trade. All right. Got out the trade. And as you see right here, what it's doing, hesitating to break that resistance. And if it breaks that resistance, I'm getting in for the buy. And we're going up towards the next pivot. All right. You look to the left, it's sold. This is where it's sold at right here. All right. Hold on. If you look to the left, guys, look to the left. This is where it's sold at. So this is a strong resistance area. So if it breaks it, that means that the trend is strong. All right, because we currently is in an uptrend. All right, we're currently in an uptrend right now. It looks like the reversal from the big drop that we got. All right, and that is going to you know, correct itself. All right, same thing with NAS 100. I think NAS 100 is also going to buy. I was looking at all the stocks and all the components, all right, that makes up, you know, NAS 100, US30, Facebook, all this stuff, Amazon, everything is starting to buy. The last couple of days, everything was down, all right, everything was down. So we're going to see what it's going to do, but guys, that's how I did it, all right. I just took some clean trades, all right, little to no drawdown, 0.01 lot size. and I just held the trade. All right, as you can see with my moving averages, price never broke the moving average that I was looking for it to break. All right, it never did. So the buy could still be valid, but if we looking at if we're looking at patterns right now, I most definitely see a M. So this can potentially drop back down to this level and shoot back up or come back down. So I'm gonna move this down right here. I'm gonna move this to here. All right. So I can see this coming all the way down to test this level right here. All right, because that looks like an M. I'm not even gonna lie to you guys, but I'm through for the day. All right. Easy day, easy trades. That's how I did it, guys. Simple buy here and a simple buy here. And then NAS 100. All right, we caught the buy here, but I did not catch it on the small account, caught on the big account. All right, but it was just a smooth day today. And if we look at it right now, you see it's starting to get a little bit choppy, all these wicks and everything, guys. So the market is, you know, around this time, it's almost 3 o'clock. The market finna get ready to close in a second and reopen. So it don't matter about how much money you have in your account. It's all about the knowledge that you have, the people that you're connected with, the groups that you're in, all of that good stuff. You should be learning and growing. But if you like this type of content, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Other than that, I'm out.